Every job leaves its mark on the body. That's why medical surveillance and health exams are essential parts of occupational health. Examinations establish a health baseline before an employee starts work, especially in safety-sensitive roles. Medical surveillance helps detect early signs of exposure to workplace hazards like noise, chemicals, or airborne particles. Routine checkups monitor how work conditions impact health over time, allowing for early intervention if problems arise. Tracking long-term trends allows providers to offer guidance, adjust work conditions, and prevent future complications. From annual physicals to targeted exams, medical surveillance programs are tailored to match job risks and industry regulations. Many industries are required by law to conduct medical exams, protecting both the employee and the employer from preventable harm. Post-incident and return-to-work exams ensure that employees can safely resume their responsibilities without added risk. When medical exams are treated as a collaborative part of workplace health, they build trust and improve safety outcomes. Medical surveillance isn't just a formality, it's a proactive tool for long-term well-being, risk management, and a safer workplace. Learn more about occupational health exams? Visit medcor.com.